Hello friends, Abhishek welcome you all on my YouTube channel, the Options Desk. So today video is about the what happened in the market today. The Nifty and Bank Nifty sank down around 100 points and 200 points, and Bank Nifty sank around 1000 points at a moment, and then it recovered slightly to close a bit around 900 points or 800 points up. So let's see what happened today. So like you can see, there is a famous saying that bulls comes in stairs and bears comes in elevators. So here it is. Okay, so this was a low of 1st December when the market was opened and it was traded. Like this was the low, sorry, 12107, or you can say on the 2nd of December, which was traded as for December was a holiday. So 12023. Okay, and today's low was, I guess, 11974. So all the gains that were registered in the month of December have been completely wiped out in just 4 to 5 days of January, as you can see in the new year. So the market should support this trend line, and it should close above this trend line for tomorrow. Let's see what happens in Nifty, what the other key levels we should watch out for. So what I will also tell why it has happened and what we could expect further, and the news is not that good. Okay, so let's see where we have support. So first, at this particular point, this is the support actually. As you can see, this is also the level from which the Nifty replaced back and from the previous in July of the 2019, and next week going down to this level, okay, which is an important which will act as important support zone, which I also told that 840 would act an important support zone, because this is also the point at which the Nifty was facing resistance at this particular point. So 840 can act as a good support zone for the falling Nifty. And for the lower levels, let's see what the lower levels we get. The lower levels you can easily interpret and give the analysis all by yourself. Okay, so this level could also act as a good support when for falling Nifty and crashing. I hope we do not crash above and we stay above this 11719. Okay, this is the final support that I'm going to take. Okay, I will also apply the Fibonacci retracement so that we can get also Fibonacci level numbers at what it says. Okay, so as you can see, there's the 23.6% stayed as the 912. So Nifty can definitely fall up to that, and after that the level is directly at 11,670. So I guess Nifty should not fall and we should recover if the tension do not worsen. Today was a totally news government market. Let's see in the 5-minute charts how could one has dealt with it. Firstly remove it. Okay, so here we go into Nifty 5-minute chart. As you can see, firstly gap down was, it closed at around 250. Yeah, it closed at around 222 and it opened in around 270, that is 50 points gap down, and then Nifty kept on falling, and 150 points till 980, that is around 200 plus points. Okay, so Nifty kept on falling, as you can see. So let's see if we can stay above it or we can close above it tomorrow, because this is a support zone. As you can see, this is a support line which I've already marked in the daily chart frame, and there's an important point in the support and resistance that they should also respect in the smaller time frames. So as you can see, this support line has been respecting. Okay, it has closed below this trend line, but it should recover a bit as we have given a huge downfall. All the RSI must have been oversold, so there's no point in looking the RSIs or any indicator at this point, because when the news government market starts, no indicators start or give the perfect analysis, because the market is working on news and it's currently falling. So on the other hand, let's see what the status with the famous crude on which our economy depends. So let's change this to 1 day. So this is the crude Jan futures. Like you can say the crude has been, okay, I will go like this. Yeah, so you can say as the US attacked Iran, and after that the crude has jumped from 4350 to 465, that is around 300 plus points. And if the tension continues, we should not be surprised if we see 5,000 levels in crude. Okay, so don't be surprised or shocked, whatever. So if we can see 5,000 plus levels in crude, we would definitely see that. On the other hand, there is a support. Let's find apply the Fibonacci level and see where the support is. You will automatically see if the crude has found support or yet or not. Okay, so as you can see, it is already at the support zone and the market is still open right now. Okay, it will close at around some time in around half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, so it is already at the 38.2% level. Okay, it has already retraced and it should get back if the condition worsens, and we can see 5,000 levels in crude oil. So do not be afraid, and I would suggest buying in crude and gold ETFs. Okay, there are many gold ETFs which you should buy on. And on the other hand, for the stocks in the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, in the sell mode for currently, as there is no recovery seen and the tensions have been worsened. Okay, so the person, okay, Nifty firstly. Yeah, Nifty, as you can see, let me also show you the chart for the Bank Nifty so that you can get a clear levels where it is. Okay, that's the 5-minute chart. Firstly, deleting all the, yeah. Let me see for the Nifty. This is for the Bank Nifty charts. You can see the support is at this particular level, that is 30,000, sorry, 31,000. Okay, so let me mark it. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the level. Okay, the Bank Nifty should take support because it has also retraced from this on 11 December and it touched the all-time high. Okay, so on the lower levels, we can also see the levels of this particular point. Okay, that is 30,600 levels. So these are the two levels that I should take into the account while taking the analysis of the Bank Nifty. Okay, let's also apply the Fibonacci level retracement and see till where level the Bank Nifty can. Okay, so now you can see why the 23.6% I said, because on the high time frame this 23.6% level also gained some strength. So as you can see, there is no issues. It has already closed at and already touched the level of 23.6% of the Fibonacci level. And firstly, the complete retracement, and if it starts closing below it, we can definitely go and test this trend line for the, sorry, this support line for the time being. Okay, so what happened today? Okay, so let's see in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, there was a huge flow. I also gave some calls on my Telegram channel. If it opens, I will definitely show it for you. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Telegram channel, and today we gave some calls on, like, this is the level, and in the morning I gave some Asian Paints and SBIN, which were all target was hit. And on the other hand, I also gave the calls on the 31,200 put buy, 31,400 put buy, and 31,500 put buy. All the puts hit all the targets and 50 points each. Total, I guess, 130 points altogether, or 130 or more than that, were hit today. Okay, so that's a different thing. So let's see what happened in Bank Nifty. Okay, closing at 30,088 and then gap down around 200 points and then down, 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 down. And so it goes like here. So who is the person responsible? Okay, so like you can see, here's a Twitter, and as you can see, the President Donald Trump Jr. is responsible for the fall, and he has recently tweeted at you 2 hours ago that Iran will never have a nuclear weapon. And what is going on in Iran, if you can say, like I would search for you Iran news, and you will definitely get the Sun TV tensions. Okay, so the Iran is mourning at the time that this is the second day of funeral for the top General Qasem Soleimani, and so this has made the fallen. Even though we do not buy crude oil from the Iran, but it has imposed different sanctions, and we buy some oil from Iraq also. So we don't buy anything from Iran, but still it has affected the crude oil severely, as it's all the Gulf countries. So there might be a tension for war, and if the war starts, we can definitely see the prices soaring very, very high. For example, of crude, and Nifty can touch back to any levels. So, and the news are going to govern market. You cannot define any particular levels. Okay, so as you can see, that Nifty starts to fall, the Fibonacci levels. Let's get the bigger picture. Okay, so these are the Fibonacci levels which Nifty can fall. Okay, on the 1 second, I would like to add this too. So Nifty should stay above this level, that is 719. I am expecting, if the condition even worsens, we should stay above this 719 level. But already you have seen that this is around 200 points fall in one single day. Yeah, you can see that it is high is 12179 and low is 11974. Okay, so that is around 200 plus points level. Okay, so I hope we can recover a bit tomorrow, and if the condition worsens, we can fall much lower. And so the trend remains bearish on all the stocks, Indian stocks. Okay, and also the companies which are governed by the crude oil, like ONGC. So the condition is still off. ONGC, let me show it for you. Okay, so it in the morning it did went high. Okay, so do not see the news. Okay, in the news they said that it would be great for the like oil companies. So it is not. Okay, it did went high on up high, and many people must have bought it here on the news going market, because at the CNBC they were saying that the oil companies would soar, but nothing as such happened. We have fallen from 129 to 126, and I will also search Oil India for you. Oil India. Okay, so this is the oil India chart. So as you can see, it's already fallen. So as you can see, the Nifty 50 top stocks have been fallen. Reliance has also seen a tremendous downfall. You can see it fell around 40 points today. Okay, so the closure was around 1536. Okay, and it fell to around 1499 with a low of 1498. So that is 40 points. So the trend stays in the trend stayed for the remaining week. It's still in the bearish condition until there might be a revenge is possible, that the conditions of the war are still going on. So do not expect a positive news at this moment. Okay, so bearish on negative, bearish sentiment in the negative Indian market, as we are governed by, but we cannot fall because our economy is that much strong. So this is the level we should watch out for. Okay, if it start closing below 23.6 level, we would definitely go and test this level. So please be alert in Nifty. Don't try to buy the stocks at this moment. Let it fall a bit more, and then we can buy in dips for the other higher prices. Okay, so let's see if we can find any trend line that is going up here. So as you can see, there is no support at this particular level. The market must take the support of Fibonacci level, while the Bank Nifty has already taken the support of Fibonacci level. If you will see, I will load the chart for you. Yeah, Bank Nifty has already taken this is the 23.6% of the Fibonacci level. Bank Nifty has already taken support at it. It must do a bit of retracement or a bit of rebounds, or it can go and test till the level of 30576. Okay, so stay alert. Okay, do not try to buy when the price is so high. Just buy in dips if the market falls, because the condition have worsened. As you can see, the President Trump has been tweeting against Iran for a couple of hours, and he just tweeted around 2 hours ago, and that's a tweet around, I guess, 22 minutes ago. Okay, you can see, you can go and check the Twitter account of his, and you can get the real-time updates. That's what's going to happen. So please stay on a bearish sentiment for the time being, for this week at least, until we start recovering from the, I guess, Thursday. If we see the tensions get lower down, or if the tension worsens, we can definitely see a good down level in the Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So this is all for you today. This is from me, from OptionsDesk, signing off. And if you have any queries, questions, you can definitely join our Telegram channel by clicking the link here. It would direct you to a Telegram channel, which is, or you can also search in Telegram by Options Calls Free. Okay, and it has 838 members, which you can also join and ask your queries. And I have also given my private contact, which you can, if you are stuck in any losses or stocks, which many people have been stuck at this moment, because market fell a lot and people were thinking that at this, because a green candle, what a green candle suggests, that the past prices are going high, because many of people have bought it. The retail buyers must have bought it here, but the market fell down hugely. So I request to please cut some loss positions, and if you want to stay, just stay with half of the positions, or even hedge your positions at this particular time, because in news grown market it's better to hedge your positions and to be on the wrong side. Okay, so this is all for you today. Thank you and have a nice day.